He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of youthful charisma, emotional sincerity, and remarkable screen presence, Gordon Cormier didn't simply enter Hollywood as another child actor. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a childhood passion for acting into one of the brightest young careers in modern television. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 8, 2009, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Gordon Cormier's journey began far from the massive film sets that would eventually shape his career. Raised in a supportive family and proud of his Filipino heritage through his mother, Gordon discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Acting quickly became more than just a hobby. It became the path through which he could tell stories, inspire audiences, and express creativity. His professional career started with commercials and television appearances that introduced him to the entertainment industry. Even in his earliest roles, Gordon impressed casting directors with his confidence, professionalism, and natural emotional range. Each project strengthened his abilities while preparing him for far bigger opportunities. The defining moment of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Aang in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. As the young Avatar destined to restore balance to the world, Gordon inherited one of the most beloved characters in animation history. The role required extensive physical training, action choreography, emotional depth, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans. By the time Season 2 entered production, Gordon had grown alongside the character himself. Audiences watched Aang evolve into a stronger leader while Gordon continued developing as an actor capable of balancing humor, vulnerability, courage, and determination. His performance established him as one of Hollywood's most promising young stars and significantly expanded his international recognition. By 2026, Gordon Cormier is widely recognized as one of the entertainment industry's brightest emerging talents. Industry professionals praise his maturity, audiences appreciate his authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly see him as an actor capable of leading major international productions. His career reflects steady development built on discipline rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, Gordon maintains a grounded and balanced lifestyle. Despite achieving worldwide recognition at a young age, he continues focusing on education, family, fitness, and personal growth. His public image reflects humility and gratitude, qualities that have earned him admiration from fans around the world. His fashion style reflects his youthful personality while continuing to mature alongside his career. Whether attending Netflix premieres, fan conventions, interviews, or award events, Gordon presents himself with confidence, simplicity, and authenticity. His approachable style has made him increasingly popular with photographers, entertainment media, and fashion observers. Although public curiosity surrounding his personal life continues to grow, Gordon remains focused primarily on acting and professional development. He consistently chooses to let his performances define his career while maintaining a healthy balance between fame and private life. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and eager to continue learning. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects successful streaming productions, acting projects, commercial appearances, and brand partnerships. More importantly, he has established himself as one of the most valuable young talents in the entertainment industry with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is his genuine personality. Gordon approaches every opportunity with enthusiasm, humility, and careful preparation. Rather than relying solely on the popularity of Avatar, he continues building a reputation based on professionalism, versatility, and authentic performances. Gordon Cormier's journey is defined by steady growth instead of instant fame. From a talented young performer in Vancouver to becoming the face of Netflix's Avatar: The Last Airbender, his rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable promise. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, talented, disciplined, and built for a lasting career. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of quiet confidence, emotional maturity, and natural screen presence, Miya Cech didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming childhood passion and unwavering dedication into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 4, 2007, in Tokyo, Japan, and raised in California after being adopted by an American family, Miya Cech's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. From an early age, she displayed an interest in storytelling, creativity, and performance. Acting became more than just a hobby. It became the way she explored different emotions and connected with people through meaningful characters. Her professional career began with television appearances, commercials, and guest roles that gradually introduced her to the entertainment industry. While still very young, she impressed casting directors with her maturity, discipline, and ability to deliver emotionally convincing performances. Each project became another opportunity to develop her skills and prepare for larger roles. Her breakthrough came through films and streaming productions including The Darkest Minds, Rim of the World, Always Be My Maybe, and the critically acclaimed Netflix series Beef. These performances demonstrated her versatility, allowing her to move comfortably between science fiction, drama, comedy, and coming-of-age stories while steadily building an international audience. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix announced Miya Cech as Toph and Aang for Season 2 of the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Toph is widely regarded as one of the franchise's most iconic characters, making the casting one of the most anticipated announcements among fans worldwide. The role elevated Miya's profile significantly and introduced her to an even broader global audience. By 2026, Miya Cech is recognized as one of Hollywood's most exciting young performers. Industry professionals praise her emotional range and adaptability. Audiences appreciate her authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly view her as an actress capable of carrying major productions. Her career reflects steady growth built on consistent performances rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and discipline. Despite working in one of the world's most competitive industries, she continues to prioritize education, personal development, and creative exploration. She maintains a relatively private public image, allowing her work to remain the primary focus of public attention. Her fashion presence has also continued to evolve. Whether attending movie premieres, promotional events, or award ceremonies, Miya embraces elegant and contemporary styles that complement her youthful personality. Her natural confidence and understated elegance have attracted increasing attention from fashion photographers and luxury brands. While curiosity about her personal life continues to grow alongside her career, Miya remains thoughtful about maintaining privacy. She consistently focuses interviews on acting, creative inspiration, and future projects rather than personal headlines. Industry colleagues frequently describe her as hardworking, respectful, and exceptionally professional for her age. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from successful films, streaming productions, television appearances, commercial partnerships, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as one of the brightest emerging talents in Hollywood with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is her authenticity. She approaches every role with sincerity and preparation, allowing audiences to connect naturally with her performances. Rather than chasing attention, she continues to build a career based on skill, versatility, and genuine artistic growth. Miya Cech's journey is marked by determination rather than circumstance. From a young girl discovering acting in California to portraying the legendary Toph and Aang in one of Netflix's biggest fantasy productions, her rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable talent. As she continues forward in 2026, She stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, confident, versatile, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.